Right, so we are currently in Royal Palace for some breakfast. We just came in through the side doors over there, and then the main doors are all the way down there, but there's the Princess Gathering out there, and there's Captain of Pauline signing. So, this is the breakfast menu. Again, whether you can see it because the shine, I don't know. Feel free to pause it.
Morning, ma'am. How are you this morning?
There you go. Right, this is what I'm dealing with for breakfast. It is maple syrup, chocolate chip pancakes. And Pauline's got a full English with 2 hash browns, 2 poached eggs, bacon, tomato and sausage with a cup of piping hot carbonated beverage. Cup of tea.
A few moments later.
I mean, we're about Captain Hook. Captain Hook. Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
It's wonderful to see you.
And you?
Are you having fun on all of your adventures?
It's been great, yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Shall we get a portrait together? Would that be all right?
Yeah, brilliant, yeah.
All right.
Hello, how you doing?
Good morning. Good to see you.
See you too.
We're wearing a little green here.
Yeah, very green, isn't it?
Having fun.
Bit like my belly at the minute.
What was that?
Green like my belly.
Oh.
This choppy water.
Oh. Well, are you having fun here on this riverboat?
It's been brilliant, yes.
So excited?
Yeah.
You know, Mama Oda, she has a riverboat like this one here, but this one is way bigger than the one that she has down the bayou.
Yeah.
So quite excited. I'm glad you're having fun. I'd love to get a portrait with you.
Yeah, good. Hello there. How you doing?
So what we're going to see, do you have any adventures planned for today?
Yes, yeah.
What adventures do you have planned for today?
Today, I think we're just going to eat food.
Oh, wonderful. Also, what's going on in Magic Island? Marketplaces and what treats they have there as well.
Yeah.
Shall we get a portrait together?
Yes, yeah. Right, we're now in the most expensive jewellery shop on the boat, the Crown of Light. There's lots of jewellery in here, but I'm going to zoom in on those there. They're quite cool. Look at those ones.
How are you, sir?
Right, we are now in Cabanas. Here goes Pauline. There she goes. We came in that door there because it's by lift. Someone there says, oh, we look at the table, yes, follow this person. And we walked all the way down there, all the way down there, all the way around, almost to the exit. And the person who was following just disappeared. So we better come all the way back to where we started for, to try and find a table. And luckily we got a table here closest to the cakes, which is a bit of convenience. Anyway, Pauline's gone and popped up and already got me a cheese, I'm guessing there's cheese now, there's tomato, we take that out, we'll take out the lettuce, but there's turkey or chicken sandwich, and then there's 3 cakes, fish rolls, presumably raspberry, No idea what that is. But it's cake in it. And she's got some drinks. And Pauline at the minute is somewhere, getting herself something to eat. Pauline has returned. And she's got... Oh, what's happened there? She's got chicken tenders, chips, what's the other thing? Oh, pasta and some sort of chicken thing. Right there, now I can see. Right, so we've got profiteroles there. That's a strawberry cake there. That was a lemon cake, but I didn't like that. Fruit, carrot cake, chocolate cake. Could be a profiterole, another chocolate cake. I think there's cookies somewhere. I want some cookies. Where are the cookies? Look at all them freshly baked cookies. I need a cookie. I need a cookie.
Put the cookie down! Now!
A few moments later.
We're now in Venelopes. There's some... Oh, I'll go backwards. Because that side we got macarons, cake. These are additional cost cakes. Not part of what you get. But oh, look at those ones. $5 for cruise liner one. That's nice. Macarons. $2.75 for macarons. There's your additional toppings for those ice creams. Oh, look at them. Do it that way. Don't know what's going to come out there. You've got mint chocolate chip, caramel pecan, vanilla raspberry. Ooh, they look nice. And you've got some photo opportunities there for your Instagram. Oh, it's more cake on this side. Make more cake, more ice cream. Look at it all. And then that side we got popcorn and shortbread. Popcorn shortbread.
Look at that. What's her name called?
Yeah, popcorn shortbread. Right, this is Cove Cafe. It smells of coffee in here. Pauline's getting a speciality coffee at the minute. Looks quite posh in here. It's actually really nice and quiet in here as well. Oh look, there's some cakes here as well. We need another cake, don't we? Chocolate, orange chocolate cupcake, croissants, caramel tarts. Yeah, ooh, it's nice in here, nice and quiet. It was so noisy out there in Cabanas and that by the swimming pool. The sun's actually come out now. It was so noisy. Hello. Yay!
Maybe that's download number 2.
Double bag.
Number 1, download number 2. Hi, Boars. Very nice. Oh my goodness, is that Donald Duck? Oh, so sweet. We love Donald. Oh, very good.
Enchanted Garden. Right, here we are at the Enchanted Garden for Pirates of the Caribbean night. So, again, lighting's not brilliant. See what you can see. Press the pause button if need be. If it's a bit rocky, it's because the boat's a bit choppy, but less choppy than what it was earlier today. So there you go then. Pauline's got, what have you got?
Crab cake.
Crab cake.
And some sort of prawn thing.
And some sort
lime
of prawn. Lime prawn. Right, I've ordered off the children's menu and I've got a wheat penne pasta, tomato, basil type sauce. Pauline has got a lamb shank and green beans and probably a parsnip mash, we think. So I've ordered off the children's menu and I've got an assortment of ice cream, obviously vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and a cookie sundae, fudge sundae. It's something sundae anyway. Brownie. And Pauline's got it's a sundae, what is it?
Pineapple, I think.
A fire what?
Pineapple.
Oh, a pineapple. Not a fire hole, a pineapple sundae.
We sure are, baby. Me too.
Crew all accounted for, I say! Away we go!
Come, you daring young buccaneers, come and capture your treasure. Sail with us on the seven seas and find your richest reward.
Live the dream, find the world filled with gold or riches. Take the refuge and your prince and baby come aboard. Away.
We've just come back from the Beauty and the Beast show, which we love, and then we've come back to this thing. It's the same thing every year. We think it's some sort of sea creature, but as we zoom in, there's gold doubloons chocolate. We love chocolate.